What's up, guys? Welcome back. Patreon request from Dave, another Warhammer character. So this is the Tau from Warhammer 40k. So he sent me two images. One of them didn't work, Dave. So pick the second one because it worked. It's kind of cool anyway. It's like a skull holding a skull. And let's try this. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So we start with the helmet. He's kind of like looking up this way. He's got like an antenna on his head. So we'll do our best. As usual. So this helmet has kind of got a little box on the bottom. So like square there. And then the back of it up this way. And it was in there. And then it's kind of, we're going to give it like a little bit of a 3D edge. Not sure if it actually has one of these, but I think it will look better with it. And this side seems to like go around his face, kind of here. And up around the top. That, and then there's an antenna coming out, I'm gonna guess, from here. Back of the helmet sort of sticks out here, and then the neck is down this way in towards the suit. So it looks like the face is kind of hidden under a mask or something. There's all these sort of bumpy fabric lines and stuff here. And then there's a triangle shape here. Red glowing lights inside. And then like the seam of the helmet. And like some texture is always sort of helpful in these kind of drawings. Especially metal. So, wait, is that the gun or? Okay, so let's say neck sort of comes down here. Armor plating just in here. And then like, so that this is like a chest armor, but his hand kind of comes across it. Not entirely clear, but we'll go. Say there's like a shoulder armor thing here. Make it a bit 3D. Then the arm or the armor, both I would say, looks like comes out from that, right? So this is like texture lines for his arm clothing, because it kind of like bumps down and then comes around a wrist. That's like holding a skull, so we got like a wrist plate or something here. Extra sort of details on this. It's got like dials and stuff on that. hard to make out that armor plating, so I'm gonna like guess it just goes like this. It seems to go behind his knee, right there, and we've got another thing there. Right, so his knee cap is like here on this side. Armor kneecap plate. Right, and this has edge line on it there. And then his thigh down that way, and this is like a plate of armor as well. Back up into there. And this sort of brown fabric that they have. So we're coming across here. This is like a boot or like a wrinkly sort of leg, and then his thigh is around that way. A bit of an edge line to that armor, and some more folds for his clothing, and like little pieces of green armor there. So his foot like comes down here. It looks like he's got like a hoof, like he's got like a horse's foot or something. So it basically looks like two toes. And then the inside of the body comes down here. And his other knee is around there. Knee cap. Like that. There's like a skull in here, right? But drawing a bit of his thigh armor. I guess the thigh should be like, well, it kind of goes that way a bit. It's mostly fabric in there. Oh yeah, and there's a circle up in this. So before we deal with the gun, I'll just do the hand and the skull stuff down here, okay? So we got like a hand plate or something here. Like a useful thing for when you're doing like metal plates is like a little edge line like that. It looks like they only have 3 fingers. Is that right? Don't know. Like 3 fingers and a thumb, you know? And then there's like a skull in here. Skulls always have these black love heart noses. Like shadows on them and stuff. Dark holes. And then his thigh just sort of goes back that way. I think we can see some more green just here. Right, so there's like a little spike here. I don't know if that's his foot or what. And this has like more skulls and stuff. It's like a mountain of skulls. Okay. Oh yeah, sorry. Missed the rest of the skull there. Okay, so this gun and the hand, right? Guns and hands. Guns and hands, the bane of my existence. So this goes this way, across. Okay. Get the main shape sort of in. Down. Steps in a bit, down again, steps out a bit, down again, in, down. Right, the back of the gun, down. Stepping a couple of times, like that. And there's like an extra box back here. And he's got like his finger kind of on the trigger, or like above the trigger. So we got like a finger there, and then the finger sort of resting on or above the trigger just here. And then we got like an armor plate on his hand, like that. Okay, and I think they only have 3 fingers and a thumb. So then the sort of back of the hand and the wrist is here. It's all sort of foreshortened and like bumping around itself. And then like this piece of armor finishes down there, I think. This has like lots of curved lines and stuff around it. And then there's like an ammo clip or something here. This is resting on his leg. Looks like an ammo clip anyway. And this armor kind of has some 3D lines on it, and then the Tau symbol in there. And 1, 2, 3. The thumb must be in around there somewhere. So we just gotta like add some ridge lines and sort of 3-dimensional stuff to this gun, right? So like a little sort of edge lines to it, like all this stuff here. There's like a bolt top. Textures on the armor are always good, you know, like scratches and stuff. And then we just keep sort of adding all this. And where the bullets come out, bullets or maybe lasers, I'm not really sure, is like this, and then like an extra little space in there. And then more sort of green sections on top of the gun. Some stuff going back here. Tau or Tau from Warhammer. Hope it's helpful. Dave, thank you for the requests and all the crazy support you give me on Patreon. Thanks for watching, guys. Anyone else with requests of anything, really? Wait, I'm not finished. Head over to Patreon, but I'm not finished. Head over to Patreon or super thanks. There's like a box in the back here. Super thanks on YouTube helps. And he also has a bit of a samurai sword thing going on here. It's kind of cool. Be crazy if I left that out. Now I'm done. Thanks, Dave. See you in the next one. Bye.